English Academy Plus podcast.
Your daily dose of simple English.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, my friends. I have a question for you. A very important question.
Ooh, I like important questions. What is it, David?
Okay, imagine this. You walk into a beautiful restaurant. The food smells amazing. You sit down. The waiter comes to you and says, "Are you ready to order?"
Oh, that moment. I remember that feeling when I was learning English. My heart was going boom, boom, boom.
Yes, boom, boom, boom. You don't know what to say. You don't know the words. You feel a little nervous, maybe a little embarrassed.
Yes, exactly. That is such a common feeling for English learners.
But today we are going to fix that.
Yes. After this video, you will know exactly what to say at a restaurant in English, from the moment you walk in to the moment you pay and leave.
Everything. We will teach you everything, step by step, nice and slow.
And David, this is actually one of my favorite topics, because food.
Of course, Alice loves food. This is not a surprise. Okay, my friends, stay with us. This video is going to be so useful for you. We promise.
Oh, and before we start, if you are new here, welcome. We are so happy you found us.
Yes, this channel is for you. We make English easy, simple, and fun. So if you like learning English this way, with real conversations, real-life topics, please click subscribe. It's free and it really helps us.
And if this video helps you today, give it a like. Just one little tap, it means a lot to us.
Okay, now let's go to the restaurant. Are you ready?
I'm ready and I'm hungry.
Alice is always hungry. Let's go. Okay, Alice, let's imagine we are going to a restaurant together, you and me.
I love it. What kind of restaurant?
A nice, simple restaurant. Maybe burgers, pasta, salad, a casual place.
Perfect. So we walk in through the door, and then what?
The first thing that happens, someone greets you. Maybe a waiter or a host. They say hello, welcome, and then they ask you something very common.
What do they say?
They say, how many people? Or sometimes, how many are in your party?
Oh, party. That's a funny word here. It doesn't mean a birthday party.
Right. In a restaurant, party just means your group. So if it's two people, you and me, you say, 2 people please, or simply, a table for 2 please.
Let's say it together, slowly. Ready? A table for 2, please.
One more time, nice and clear. A table for 2 please.
Beautiful. Now, what if you are alone?
Good question. If you are alone, you say, a table for 1 please. Simple, right?
And if you are with 4 friends?
A table for 4 please. You just change the number. Easy.
I love it when English is easy.
Me too. Now, the host or waiter will often say, right this way, or follow me please. That means, come with me. I will show you your table.
And you just say, thank you.
Perfect. So simple. You walk to the table, you sit down, and then what?
You look at the menu.
Yes. But wait. Sometimes the waiter gives you the menu right away, and sometimes you have to ask for it. So if they don't give it to you, you can say, can we have the menu please?
Say it slowly. Can we have the menu, please?
Or even shorter, the menu please, and you can smile and point. That also works.
Yes, sometimes a smile is the best English.
Okay, so now you have the menu, you are looking at it, maybe you are a little confused. There are many things, many words.
Yes, this happens to me. Sometimes I open the menu and I see a word I don't know and I feel nervous.
Okay, so what do?
I ask the waiter, and in English you can say, "Excuse me, what is this?" And you point to the item on the menu.
Yes, that is so natural. Excuse me, what is this? Or you can say, what is in this dish? That means, what ingredients are in this food?
What is in this dish? Let's say that one again. What is in this dish?
Exactly. Now, another very useful question. If you have a food allergy, for example, you cannot eat nuts or gluten or dairy, you can say, I am allergic to nuts. Does this have nuts?
That one is so important. Please remember that one, everyone. It's about your health. I am allergic to, and then say the food.
I am allergic to nuts. I am allergic to gluten. I am allergic to dairy.
Okay, so we understand the menu. Now comes the big moment.
The order. The waiter comes to the table. He has a notepad. He looks at you and says, "Are you ready to order?"
And this is the moment. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, bill. We are ready now.
Okay, the most important phrase for ordering food. Listen carefully. I would like.
I would like. This is polite. This is natural. This is perfect.
For example, I would like the burger, please. Or, I would like the pasta, please.
You can also say, "Can I have the burger, please?" This is also very natural and polite.
Let's compare. I would like the burger and can I have the burger? Both are correct. Both are polite. Both are good.
I personally love "can I have" because it sounds very casual and friendly.
Yes, and if you are not sure yet, if you need more time, you can say, "Can we have a few more minutes, please?"
Can we have a few more minutes, please? The waiter will smile and say, "Of course."
Nobody will be angry. Don't worry. Take your time.
Okay, so let's do a little practice. David, you be the waiter. I'll be the customer.
Okay. Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the chicken sandwich, please.
Excellent choice. And to drink?
Can I have a glass of water, please, and maybe an orange juice?
Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all for now.
Perfect. Did you hear that? Let's break it down. First, I would like the chicken sandwich. Second, can I have a glass of water? Third, that's all for now.
That's all for now. This means nothing else right now. Thank you.
It's a very useful phrase, very natural. Say it with me. That's all for now.
Beautiful. And don't forget to always say please and thank you. It makes a big difference in English culture.
Yes, in English, please and thank you are very important. The waiter will love you.
Everyone loves polite people.
Okay, now let's talk about something else. Sometimes you want to change something in your order. You want to customize it. Is that okay in a restaurant?
Yes, in many English-speaking countries, like the US, UK, Canada, Australia, it is very normal to make small changes.
For example, maybe you don't want onions. You can say, "Can I have the burger without onions, please?"
Without onions, very simple. Or maybe you want extra cheese. You say, "Can I have extra cheese, please?"
Extra means more. So extra cheese means more cheese. I always want extra cheese.
Of course you do, David.
Or maybe you want something on the side. For example, "Can I have the salad on the side, please?"
On the side means separate from the main dish, not mixed in, just next to it.
These small phrases, without, extra, on the side, are so useful. Let's say them one more time.
Without onions,
Extra cheese.
on the side.
Perfect. And one more. If you are a vegetarian, someone who doesn't eat meat, you can say, "Do you have any vegetarian options?"
Do you have any vegetarian options? This is a great question.
The waiter will say yes or no, and maybe explain what they have. Easy.
So now the food is here. The waiter brings your food. What do they usually say?
They often say, "Here you go," or "Enjoy your meal."
And you say, "Thank you." Simple. Beautiful.
Always thank you. Now, what if there is a problem? What if your food is wrong, or maybe you ordered something and they brought the wrong dish?
This happens sometimes, and it's okay. You can politely say, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I ordered the chicken, not the fish."
I think there is a mistake. This is polite. You're not angry, you're just explaining.
The waiter will apologize and fix it. No problem. And what if your food is cold or maybe not cooked the way you wanted?
You can say, "Excuse me, my food is cold. Can you heat it up, please?" Or, "This is a little undercooked. Can you cook it a bit more?"
Undercooked means not cooked enough, and overcooked means cooked too much.
Exactly. Two new words, undercooked and overcooked.
Let's say them slowly. Undercooked. Overcooked.
Great. Now let's talk about something happy. What if the food is delicious?
Oh, yes. If the food is amazing, you can say to the waiter, "This is delicious," or "This is really good," or "I love this."
And the waiter will feel so happy.
They work hard. They love to hear that.
Yes, a little kindness goes a long way.
Okay, the main meal is finished. You ate your burger, your pasta, your salad, and then the waiter comes back and asks,
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Oh, I love this question. My favorite question at any restaurant.
David loves dessert. This is not a surprise.
I do. Okay, so if you want dessert, you say, yes, please, or sure, why not? That means yes, but in a relaxed, friendly way.
And if you are full, if you ate too much, you can say, no thank you, I'm full.
I'm full means your stomach is full. You don't want more food.
Or maybe you want something small. You can say, just a coffee, please. Or, can I have a small dessert? What do you recommend?
Oh, what do you recommend? This is a great question. It means, what do you think is the best? What is your favorite?
The waiter will tell you what is popular, what is good, and then you decide.
Let's say that phrase one more time. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend? Learn this one. It's useful in restaurants and shops, everywhere.
Okay, my friends, the meal is finished. The dessert is gone. It's time to go home. But first, you need to pay.
Yes. How do you ask for the bill in English?
The most common phrase is, can we have the bill, please? In American English, people sometimes say check instead of bill. So, can we have the check, please?
Both are correct. The bill is more British English. The check is more American English.
So you can say, can we have the bill, please? Or, can we have the check, please?
Or even shorter, the bill, please. And you can make a little writing gesture with your hand, like you are signing something. Waiters understand immediately.
Yes, the international sign for I want to pay.
It works everywhere.
Now, when the waiter brings the bill, you might hear, how would you like to pay? This means cash or card.
And you say, by card, please, or in cash, please.
By card, that means credit card or debit card. In cash, that means money, paper money.
And sometimes people split the bill. That means each person pays for themselves.
Yes, if you want to split, you can say, can we split the bill, please? Or, can we pay separately, please?
Separately means each person pays their own part.
And if one person wants to pay for everyone, maybe it's a birthday dinner, you can say, I'll get this one. Or, it's on me.
It's on me. This is a very natural, friendly phrase. It means, I will pay. Don't worry.
Nice. I want someone to say that to me.
One day, David, one day.
Okay, you paid. Now you are leaving. What do you say?
Simple. You say to the waiter, thank you, everything was wonderful. Or, thank you, we really enjoyed the meal.
We enjoyed the meal. Enjoyed means liked a lot, past tense of enjoy.
And the waiter might say, thank you, have a great evening, or come back soon.
And you say, thank you, we will. And you walk out feeling happy and full.
The perfect end to a perfect meal.
Okay, my friends, now let's review. Let's go through all the important phrases from today, nice and slowly. Alice, can you help me?
Of course, let's do it.
When you arrive at the restaurant, you say,
A table for two, please.
again, a table for two, please.
When you want the menu,
Can we have the menu, please?
can we have the menu, please?
When you are ready to order,
I would like the burger, please.
can I have the pasta, please?
When you need more time.
Can we have a few more minutes, please?
When you want to change your order.
Can I have it without onions, please?
Can I have extra cheese, please?
When you have a food allergy,
I am allergic to nuts.
when there is a problem,
Excuse me, I think there is a mistake.
when the food is good,
This is delicious.
when you want a recommendation,
What do you recommend?
when you want the bill,
Can we have the bill, please?
when you are paying,
By card, please. Or in cash, please.
when someone offers to pay,
It's on me.
when you're leaving.
Thank you. Everything was wonderful.
Perfect. You're all restaurant experts now. Okay, let's put it all together now. We will do a full conversation, a complete restaurant experience, from walking in to walking out. Listen carefully. This time, I will be the customer, and Alice will be the waiter.
Ooh, I love being the waiter.
Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome. How many people tonight?
A table for two, please.
Of course. Right this way. Here is your table. Can I get you something to drink to start?
Yes, please. Can I have a glass of water? And my friend will have an orange juice.
Perfect. I'll be right back with your drinks. Here are your menus.
Thank you. Excuse me,
Yes?
can we have a few more minutes, please? We are not ready yet.
Of course. Take your time. Are you ready to order now?
Yes. I would like the grilled chicken sandwich, please. Can I have it without tomatoes? And can I have the fries on the side?
Of course. And for your friend.
She would like the pasta, please, with extra cheese.
Great choices. Anything else?
Yes, one more thing. I am allergic to nuts. Does the pasta have nuts?
No, it doesn't. No nuts at all. You are safe.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Later, here is your food. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. Oh, this looks amazing. A bit later, how is everything? Everything is delicious. Really, really good. Compliments to the chef. I will tell him. Can I get you anything else? Actually, what do you recommend for dessert? Our chocolate cake is very popular. It's amazing. I eat it every day. In that case, yes, one chocolate cake, please. Great. Later. Here you go, one chocolate cake. Oh, wow, this is incredible. Later. Can I get you anything else? No, thank you. Can we have the bill, please? Of course. Bringing the bill. Here you are. Thank you. We will pay by card, please. No problem. Pause. All done. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much. Everything was perfect. We will definitely come back. I was a very good waiter, wasn't I? You were amazing. 5 stars. Top review. Okay, my friends, now it's your turn to think. We have some simple questions for you. Try to answer in English. Even just a few words, that's enough.
Question number 1. What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Think about it. Maybe you like pizza. Maybe you like sushi. Maybe you like a nice burger. Say it in English. My favorite food is...
Question number 2. Do you prefer to eat alone or with friends?
I prefer to eat with friends. Or, I like to eat alone sometimes. Both are good answers.
Question number 3. How do you ask for the bill in English? Do you remember?
We learned this today. Say it, come on.
Can we have the bill, please? Yes, perfect.
You are doing so well, really. We are proud of you.
Okay, my beautiful friends, that is the end of today's lesson, and what a lesson it was.
Yes, today we learned everything you need for a restaurant in English, from the first hello to the last goodbye.
You learned how to ask for a table, how to order food, how to ask questions, how to handle problems, how to pay, how to leave politely.
You are ready. The next time you go to a restaurant in English, you've got this. I'm serious.
You really do. And you know what? The most important thing is, don't be afraid to try. Even if you make a mistake, that's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
Even us. We make mistakes too sometimes, and that's how we learn.
So be brave, open your mouth, use these phrases, and smile.
And now, we want to hear from you. Let's connect. In the comments below, write this.
Write your name and answer this question. What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
For example, I will start. My name is David, and my favorite food is a cheeseburger with extra cheese.
Of course it is. And I'm Alice, and my favorite is pasta with creamy sauce.
Now, tell us yours. We read every single comment. We love hearing from you.
And if this video helped you today, please give it a like. It really helps us reach more English learners like you around the world.
And subscribe if you haven't already. We make new English lessons every week. Simple, slow, and fun, just like today.
We will see you in the next video very, very soon.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, English is easy, one step at a time.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye. Take care.